course she is.
Oh,
Well,
poor baby.
That you'll love being the man. Doing a backstroke on your waterbed.
Come here, baby. Oh, her just throws you around like she's gonna bite me out. Oh, gee. Told you. Oh, she will too. Yeah.
What conditions?
Much more champagne?
That didn't take her long.
What conditions?
Well, it'll take longer this time.
Boy.
Baby.
Poor
cat.
Slight pay cut and go back to school for your MBA and share the office with me.
I'll better bake this,
Decisions,
yeah.
since you lack any practical experience, you'll have to wait tables when the bar is busy, which will put you under immediate supervision of...
That hurt. Oh, I don't know.
I doubt it.
I say kill it. And when Riker uncovers the shocking truth, I want this ship prepared for battle. Will the truth be led into an enemy trap?
So we.
Report to Enterprise. We are under attack down here.
What, should we
Shields
do
are down
church?
on an all-new episode.
About the possibility, if North Korea will open up its nuclear facilities to international inspection, the possibility of some kind of...
Okay, thank you, Lynn, and Continental White House.